Hello, first period. Here's your instruction video for the next 3 days, so you may have to listen to it a couple times to help you remember what you're supposed to do. Tomorrow, when you come into class, tomorrow as in Wednesday, you are going to scroll down here to Europe, remember, and you're going to start here in Ancient World to Modern World. You're going to pick up with the stations that were started today. I'm not sure if we started these today, so the French Revolution is going to be on one table. You're going to click on this and it's going to open up WebQuest, and there's going to be a link there right at the bottom of the page, or right at the bottom of the picture. There'll be a link. Click on that link and you're going to use that link to answer the questions. Remember, not all of the questions need to be answered, so read the sheet that's sitting on your desk for this station and it'll tell you which ones to read. The Enlightenment, you're going to answer these questions over the philosophers of the Enlightenment. All the material you need is at the station. So read about the men that are sitting on your desk and answer those questions. Why the Industrial Revolution? Answer these questions by watching a video. Here's the link to the video. Yours is kind of positioned up top, and these will all be listed together, and then that video will sit above it. Watch the video and answer the questions. You will also have a map station, so you're filling in the map, getting ready for your quiz that is coming. This will probably it'll probably just be Wednesday, but if it needs to extend into Thursday, that's fine. And then Thursday and Friday, you're going to be working on your country station. So Thursday, you're going to come in and you're going to start on these countries. Each pod will be a different country, and you're going to need to probably help the sub set this up. So remember the stacks that I showed you in class? So each stack is going to be a pod. So there's a stack of papers for Ireland, and it has a sticky note on the top that says Ireland, and you'll stick those on a pod. And you'll have a stack for United Kingdom, and you'll stick those on a pod, and so forth. And you're going to read these about these countries and answer the questions. So the questions are here on Google Classroom. The materials will be at each pod. You will also be working on a map Thursday and Friday. Thursday, you'll be working on another map to help you get ready for your quiz. And then on Friday, you're going to be working on round 3 map, getting you ready for round 3. So help the sub kind of set this stuff up. I entrust you with that because I know that each one of y'all are capable of doing that. And again, so you just have these 2 things that will carry you through the rest of the week, and then your quiz on Friday. Remember, your quiz is over the landforms round 1 and round 2, and then you'll pick up with these stations. Be prepared to do something with these stations. These country stations are front and back, so don't forget to flip it over, just in case. If something goes awry or you don't understand something, ask the sub, and if y'all can't figure it out, you can't figure it out. It's fine. We'll pick up with it on Monday when I get back. Work diligently, work hard. I'm excited to hear what you guys are going to learn through all of these different stations. I love you guys. Have a great week and weekend.